Sunset Bridge totally.
Yo guys, what is up? It's your boy back again with another video, and today is exciting because like one of my the friend I usually play with, right? He came back to the game and we're like, all right, let's just have some fun, and we had the dumbest moments together, man. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed, and if y'all did, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'm gonna see you next time. Peace.
Now, why are you burping in my premises, bro?
My premises, bhai. I'll burp so badly you'll radioactively melt. भाई क्या कर रहा है? Bro, you wanted.
I don't even know.
Bro, you wanted.
Shut up.
By the way, your boy got so many of those grindable camos.
Bro, by the way, how about I what you can do?
No, you can't commit Sudoku, man. That's not good.
Bro, what did you just say?
You can't commit Sudoku.
Bro, it's commit. You dumbass. What is?
But you can't.
What's Sudoku?
But you'll get demonetized for saying right? मत मेरा. Bomb down on me. I'll throw my ass down as well.
I told you I sniped two people.
Nah, you lying, fam.
Oh goddamn, Puga ass dudes, bro. They peeked the same spot after they saw their teammate die. Like, how are you that stupid, bro? Ooh, what does this button do, headass?
I know what it does. Twist snip. Oh, he was most probably lagging.
I got depression over. Bro, I still haven't lost my touch.
Help!
मदद करो यार ये क्या?
He dropped the bomb.
How am I carrying you, bro? Bro. That's why you were screaming. You're fighting a shotgun.
They have the bomb.
No, we don't do the toxic shit. Oh, bro, I flicked so hard my pee.
Huh? Hey yo, what?
Don't worry, it was a bio class.
Contact with enemy.
Mashallah.
Wow, bro, wow, man, you're so good. मैं नहीं आ रहा.
Sniper. I just got in my. Yeah, I completed that dog. You know where I got shot at.
Bhai, he's coming.
Bhai, don't delay away.
Bomb has been planted.
Heavy damage देती है.
भाई मसला हो गया.
क्या मसला? यार. Why, man?
Dog.
Are you allowed to jump?
Yeah, you can jump. Isn't there a jump button on the...
Where is my jump button?
Did it go invisible again? You'll check the corners of your screen.
Oh my. Bro. Where?
He can see you.
Oh, she sees me.
I'm out. Bottom right. Oh shit.
Yo, dude. Oh, I shapeshifted. I am okay. Damn, I'm a baddie, bro. Are you spectating your sister?
No, I'm surviving. Muslim, ऊपर देख. नहीं देख.
Yo, did you die?
Almost. Bro, you were just chill like that. Bro, did you see a random ass chair flying?
Yeah, it did.
It was a table. Like,
Bro, can I stop being large items? Bro, I'm a truck. Oh, whoa, what? Yo, can I stop being large items? Bro, I'm a flat stairs, bro. I'm literally stairs. What am I supposed to do as a stairs?
I dipped. I ran away, bro. El bozo. Why am I a container, bhai?
Yeah, that's good.
I just switched TV. You're doing. What are you doing? Bro, this guy said wall. It is an Muslim. What?
Why am I a truck again, bro? Yo, pasi. Ansel burrito. Yo, 360. Yo, 360.
You wanna know what's the funny part? Come here. Just come with me. Come here.
Pasi, wait. See, look at the reverse.
Bro, you can drift into here. You'll fit. What is this Gmod type of shit?
Yo, cheese. Oh shit. Yeah, they're gonna see us.
They can see your big ass.
Bro, yeah, they can definitely see me. Don't about that. Yeah, this is definitely not noticeable. Did he see you?
No, I died. Bro just has bad luck. I am a big as all time.
Just tell me what you are. Oh yeah, you can run. No one's here. Literally no one's here. I'm looking at you right now with the camera shit. Bro, oh my. Dude, if I become a truck again, I will. Don't worry. अबे मुझे कब दिया है वापस यार नहीं बनता मुझे नहीं करनी ट्रिप actually doing that shit on purpose.
They try to play with your ass, bro.
Oh, pause, bro.
Hey, yo.
What do you mean by that? Nothing suspicious, don't worry. Nothing suspicious. You see a container flying, that's normal day in Ohio. Nothing suspicious.
I have a roadblock.
Yeah.
Oh, that's how they
Talk to you
know.
about your car's extended warranty.
Muslim, come here, pick this up.
Talk to you about your car's extended warranty.
Absolutely does not talk to British people.
Oh.
Is that garbage? That's me, bro. That's
Yeah,
me.
I saw.
I'm surviving, bro, somehow.
Engage stage has begun. Search the area for high value bonus points.
What's good, bro?
What's they're kind of chasing me, so you better get.
No! I'm a bathtub.
That's why you're chasing me. Bro, why are you? Is that an incubator? Inshallah tomorrow.
Bro, put your finger in front.
Bro, इससे भाई
Bye boy, take care man.
अच्छा अच्छा love you